All right, I'm going to show you guys how to add headings and titles to a Google form, since I can't find a video on it or any tutorial, so it'll be quick. So what does a heading and title look like? Let me share my screen with you. Okay, so a heading and title looks like this. This is an exam that I have. This would be a title or a heading. Right? It just gives directions for the next part of the exam. Okay, if you look down here. I also use heading and titles when I'm making a question and there's a prompt, right? There's a primary source, there's a video, or there's a cartoon. Okay, sometimes I just put those in a title, okay, and then create the question afterwards, okay? So how do you do that? This is what it looks like. I mean, this is the same exact Google form, but instead of the preview, which I was just in, I'm now in the creating the mode of doing the actual Google form. Okay, so this right here, where it says the directions, this is a heading. It's a T, add title or description. Okay, down here, this is not a question, right? It's this right here, add title or description. Right, I've also put a title here, where I put the cartoon of Teddy Roosevelt. Okay, so how do I do this? It's not really that difficult. Create a new Google form. Call it headings. I won't call it titles. Populate it. Okay. And before I want to add a question, I want to put a title here. All right, with directions. So I just create the button. Okay. Just added that button right there. Click add title and description. Section 1. Multiple choice. All right, and I give directions. Blah, 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 blah. Fill in the right choice. Okay, and then I can start adding my questions. A, B, C, D. That's what a heading would look like. All right. To show you what it looks like now, I'll preview it. And you can see there's my section. It just gives me a chance to set up directions. Maybe I want a section 2 on my test. Okay, so now I come back here underneath where I want it to happen. I'm on the question. I click on add title or image, section 2. Short answer. Answer these questions best of your. I am doing this as titles. It says section, don't get confused with sections down here, different sections of your test. You can do it this way. Okay. Sometimes I just like to break it up like this. Okay. Partly because, let's say I want to add an image. All right. Add an image of whatever. Let's go Google image search for Trump. Okay. We'll add that. We'll put it in there. Right. And Trump. And I can add a caption to this. I can left align it, center align it, say center it. All right. And then let's say I want to in this section up here where I just created it, Question number three. Use the following picture of Trump to answer question three. Questions 3 and 4. Okay. There's the heading, there's the title, there's the picture. Underneath this, I'm going to add a question. Okay. Who is this? Right. Make a short answer. This is question number 3. Question number 4 is, what is his job? POTUS. What's this? Senator. Teacher. And then if you want to look at this, you can preview it. Section 1, multiple choice. Question 1, section 2, short answer. And I would have a bunch of questions there. Question number 3, Trump 2020. Use the following picture of Trump to answer questions 3 and 4. Question 3, question 4. All right, it's just a way to break up your form. Okay? That's adding headings and titles. All right, thanks.